equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of diagnosing and repairing the MSI MS17B revision Palka. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Start by powering off the device and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is off, you will see the internal components. It's crucial to handle these parts with care. Use the can of compressed air to gently clean out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This step is vital for maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating. Now, let's focus on the components that may need diagnosis. If you notice any signs of damage, such as burnt areas or loose connections, take note of these. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert advice without any pressure. Next, check the RAM and hard drive connections. Gently remove the RAM sticks and clean the contacts with a soft cloth. Reinsert them firmly to ensure a good connection. If you suspect any issues with the hard drive, consider running a diagnostic test. After checking these components, it's time to reassemble the device. Apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU before placing the heatsink back on. This will help in maintaining the right temperature during operation. Once everything is back in place, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. If you're not comfortable with any of these steps, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without the hassle of travel. Finally, power on the device and monitor its performance. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. This way, you can make an informed decision about the next steps. By following these steps, you can effectively diagnose and repair your MSI MS17B revision Palka, ensuring it runs smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.